Hey, it's Krista with WTI. If you're someone who is shipping out multiple packages each month, you need to know how the MFLABEL half-sheet shipping labels have made my process so much easier and can do the same for you. Let me tell you a little about them. One of the ways that these labels save me a ton of time is that I can print my labels and put them on my packages before heading to the post office. I no longer need to wait in those lines at any of the post offices. I walk right up to the counter, have my label pre-printed and on my box, and I leave it there and I walk away. That's simple. Aside from looking really professional and polished, these labels are top-notch quality. I've shipped hundreds of packages over the years, and never have I ever had a package returned to me because the label was damaged, smeared, or ripped off. So if you're looking for a way to create an efficiency in your shipping process and you want a quality label that's easy to work with, get these MF shipping labels and you will not be disappointed. And that is my point of view.